Today we are going to start our new chapter related to nutrition and how nutrition which is going to be done inside the plant. Now this topic which is we read in earlier classes also, but in this topic we shall discuss a few objectives is mode of nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition, enrichment of soil, autotrophic nutrition and symbiosis which is given in our book also. Now nutrition in the plants when we talking about, then we know that a plants having autotrophic kind of nutrition, and if we talking about the autotrophic kind of nutrition, that we need to be understand what is the basic difference between autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition are those in which we are dependent on others, and autotrophic nutrition are those which we cannot be dependent upon others. Like if we take an as plant are doing autotrophic kind of nutrition because in photosynthesis they are not dependent upon others. But we as a human beings we need certain source which is comes from the plants only. We eat pulses, we eat fruits, we eat vegetables, so many things which is actually comes from the plant only. As usual the same when we talking about the heterotrophic kind of nutrition which is we have, then our dependency are only and solely dependent upon plants. But the plants having the process which is called as photosynthesis, and we know the definition of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plant prepare their food in the presence of sunlight and they produce oxygen from this process and which is intake by us. But they did not require us to do these certain things. They required only soil, they required only leaves, they required only air as fresh air, they intake CO2 from atmosphere and they releases oxygen for us. That process is known as photosynthesis. Now here my topic is today's topic is only to the autotrophic nutrition and photosynthesis. Now we come to the chapter that how chapter will going to give you a brief idea about how nutrition is done in the plant. Now here I will read for you the objectives and what are the introduction which is given inside the book. So the learning objective to understand the mode of nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition, enrichment of soil, autotrophic nutrition and symbiosis. Let's begin. What is introduction is all about? All living organisms shows the different characteristics which different from non-living things. When we talking about living things, then we should understand about the non-living things also as well. Living things are those who have life processes, but when we talking about non-living things, they don't have life processes. If we are talking about non-living things, like in this pen is comes under in as a non-living things, that's a simple basic idea. Why is it comes under in non-living things? Because it will not grow as their own. But when we are talking about the plants is comes under in a living things. Why? Because plants can grow automated and they having their growth process also, respiration also, requirement also, other such things which is going to be done by the plants also. Now, one of the most important features is that all living organisms need food for their survival and plants can make their own food because animals are directly or indirectly dependent upon fulfill their food requirements. The process which is taken and used by an organism is called nutrition. Now, they will be talking about here in these lines, they will talking like we as a human beings are only and solely dependent upon plants. Why? Because we need pulses, we need vegetables, we need fruits to fulfill our requirement, to fulfill our basic needs, to fulfill our basic food. So, if we are talking about the plants have autotrophic nutrition only. They required only air, they required only water, they required only soil. The process by which is food is taken and it will be used by organism is called nutrition. Obviously, like plants or other, we will talking about us. Then whatever we eat from outside, that will be requirement for our body. That is termed as nutrition. Now in this chapter, we will learn about the nutrition in plants only. That is our chapter name also. That we will learn about in this chapter nutrition in plants. Now Mode of nutrition. Mode of nutrition, when we're talking about the types of nutrition. What are the types of nutrition which we have? Like first autotrophic nutrition, and second which is going to be as heterotrophic nutrition. First is autotrophic nutrition and second is heterotrophic nutrition. Now the term nutrition is derived from Latin word is nature, which is going to be feed as support to preserve. Now here they will talking about that nature, which is going to be comes as a Latin word that means that how to protect and how to nurture, that will becomes as a nature. Now all living organisms need energy to grow, which we talked about earlier also. This energy is obtained from food. Whatever the things which is